This is not a video, it's a game with rewards. And I am not just asking you to play. I am in this 90 days challenge myself right alongside you. This is the exact strategy that top 1% use to prep up for the new year, while rest 99% wait for the 1st January. And by the end, you will have a step-by-step blueprint with trackers that will help you transform your current lifestyle into dream lifestyle. But let me warn you, 90% of the people who click on videos like this, they don't finish it. They keep scrolling, and rest of the percentage watches the video till the very end and follow along the video. Every December, you plan, you dream about the new version of your life. You write goals, set resolution, and by February, 95% people give up. Meanwhile, the top 1%, they are already prepping right now. And by prep, I don't mean just planning stuff. I mean actually doing the work. And their preparation starts 3 months before the January. I have coached around 500 working professionals, from freshers to managers in MNCs. And I have observed the single biggest difference isn't intelligence. It is systems, consistency, and accountability. And guess what? Right now is the exact same time top 1% are warming up. They are setting systems and building momentum. So in this video, I'll break down the exact same strategy on how you can achieve your dream life. And that too in just 90 days. Because all the transformation is divided into 2 stages. The stage 1 is going from 0 to 1 and stage 2 is about going from 1 to 10. Where 0 to 1, phase 1, it's the hardest. Just like a plane that takes most of the fuel while taking off, and once you are in the air, the ride gets smoother. These 90 days are your takeoff so that you can fly high in the next year. And here is how we'll do it. So here is phase 1, day 1 to day 30. It's all about building the basics, getting clarity, setting systems, and building consistency. Then comes phase 2, day 31 to 60. It's all about leveling up, advanced habits, and goal-specific actions. Then comes phase 3, day 61 to 90. It's all about maintaining the basics, maintaining your foundation, and go deeper so transformation becomes your lifestyle. And here's the best part. I'll give you the trackers at the end of every single phase so you can measure every step. And as mentioned earlier, I'm going to follow this exact same framework for myself as well. And I'll share my weekly progress on Instagram stories, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll link my Instagram below in the description. If you want to stay accountable too, don't forget to post your updates, tag me there, I'll reshare your stories on my story. And let's build a community where we grow together. So, are you ready to turn these 90 days into the biggest transformation of your life? Now, before we get into the phases, we'll discuss the rules of the game. Because every game needs rules, right? So the rule number 1, you have to track your progress daily. I'll give you trackers. Your job is to show up every single day and mark your progress. Rule number 2, rewards. At the end of every single phase, you'll reward yourself. Transformation should feel exciting, not like a punishment. Rule number 3, imperfect action beats perfect planning. Even if it's messy, even if it's small, you have to show up. No excuses. Before phase 1, we'll discuss about the phase 0 because we are starting before the start line. And that's exactly what most of the people forget. This is where you take a pen and paper and actually figure it out. Firstly, you have to write down what all things you want to achieve in next 90 days. You have to cover all the aspects: your health, wealth, career, and relationships. You have to write 1 to 3 goals in every single aspect. Second, you have to figure out, you have to measure or track where exactly you are. Let's take an example. You want to reach to point Z and you are not aware of where exactly you are from A to Z. Now you have to figure it out where exactly you are in the process. Then once you figure it out where you are, let's say you are at point M. Now you just have to bridge the gap between M to Z. And now to lock this vision in your mind, you have to create either a vision board or a scrapbook, whatever suits you. Search about the relatable images, quotes, and whatever you feel like on Pinterest. Take all the relatable stuff and take the printout, stick it on the scrapbook or vision board. And you have to ensure that you look at it every single morning after waking up and before going to bed. Because what you can't see, you can't hit that, right? So it's very important that you visualize those things. And looking at the vision board or the scrapbook will make your visualization process a lot more easier. And the good news is phase 0 also has a reward. So you have to ensure that what reward you are going to give yourself for completing it. Because you know what happens when we try to do something, when we plan stuff, we are never rewarded for planning stuff, right? And that's exactly when our motivation dies. But when you will complete the phase one, well, complete the planning stage where you complete the scrapbook or your vision board, and you will get a reward, it will excite you more to execute further phases as well. I'll help you understand this with example. Now, let's say you want to maybe get a job, you maybe want to start content creation, maybe you want to learn a skill or do anything that can help you take more than 1 month or 60 days or 90 days or 1 year maybe. The rewards, the actual results would be later in the process, right? And our mind is trained in such a way that most of the time it will not resist the delayed gratification. So if you will, it's a monkey mind, or you can say a donkey. When a monkey mind or a donkey is able to see the rewards coming right after what you're doing right now, it will hook you into that stuff. So when you'll see, okay, there is one reward, I'll give you example. So I recently got something, I won't name that thing. So I rewarded that thing, like I gave that thing to myself for completing the phase one, and it's like a few $100 stuff, but I was not getting it. But when I was like, okay, when I decided that this is a X commodity that I will gift myself when I'll phase zero, I was the happiest. I couldn't imagine, it would make me that much of a happiest person. One more example, I've recently started creating content. So, scripting, shooting, and editing 10 videos, like 10 long form videos, takes so much of effort. So I decided that if I'll get done with this stuff within this deadline, I'll treat myself. I'll give myself, a pizza treat. So that's exactly what I did. And now my mind knows that whatever rewards I'm going to decide, I will give myself. And that's a reason, you can say, my mind does not, procrastinate much, because it knows the reward is coming next. So that's how you have to brainwash your mind into getting stuff done. Now the real game begins. Phase one. In the phase one, the very first aspect that we are going to cover is health. Because if you work on every single thing else, or maybe let's say you have 10 goals, but if your health is not fine, you will never be execute the goals. Or if you are able to achieve those goals, you will not be able to reward yourself or celebrate those things. Let's say it's money or any commodity, any gadget, anything. You'll not be able to reap the fruits of it or enjoy it or celebrate it if it's your health is not perfectly fine, right? So we'll do the basics. First thing is, you have to eat clean. I know it's a little difficult in today's time when your delivery arrives in less than 10-15 minutes. So it's very difficult to maintain that habit of eating clean or eating home cooked food. That's a reason I said eating clean on weekdays, because that's also I am trying to follow. So this is one thing. Next comes 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Trust me, if you'll not sleep enough, it will start showing on your body. ये वो इंसान बोल रहा है जो खुद नहीं सोता है. But anyways, I'll also follow this myself, and I'll share the trackers after 90 days कि कितना मैंने fill करा और कितनी चीजें हो पाई मुझसे, so that you guys know कि कैसी चीजें जाती हैं. Next is move daily. I feel if I would have made this video sometime back, maybe I wouldn't be the right person to talk about this, because वो टाइम तक मैं भी खुद फॉलो नहीं कर रही थी. बट नाउ बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ डू इट, दैट्स द रीजन आई एम सेइंग दिस, एंड आई हैव सीन सो मच change in my energy levels, if not abs and muscles, but I have seen drastic changes in my energy levels, and that's exactly what is so much rewarding for me. That is what matters to me, let's be honest. And my skin is glowing, if not right now, but yes, I don't know how much camera is doing justice to this, but yeah, these are the few changes that I've been able to see so far. Basic skincare, we often forget. Like I myself have not focused on it so much until 20 years of my age, but now since last couple of years I am more particular about these things. Nothing much fancy stuff, just face wash, your moisturizer, SPF, before bed, double cleansing. And by double cleansing, just see on YouTube what it means. Double cleansing and moisturizer, that's it. Basic routine, 3 steps in the morning, maybe 2 if your SPF is like sort of moisturizing, and just 2 steps before I go to bed, even if I'm not stepping out, because yes, I don't step out much, but still that makes so much of the difference. This was about phase 2. Now let me be very clearly tell you here that you have all the freedom to modify every single task of every single aspect of your life in every single phase. You have to make it customized depending upon the goals or targets you have. Next comes the career. You have to focus on one thing, like one skill. If someone asks you, what is the one thing that you're very much good at or you have the expertise of, there should be something coming in your mind. And that is one thing that I myself have struggled with this, because I'm sort of journalist. I know marketing, I know sales, I know social media, I know a couple of other things as well, and that's the reason I feel so much scattered and overwhelmed. But now, these 90 days, I have taken this challenge myself. Next comes income source. It's very crucial. Most of my audience is, whatever I'm able to figure out until this point, whatever my audience is, they are majorly either freshers who are trying to get into the jobs, or are the ones who have recently got their job. So that is a bracket of audience that I am catering to. So there's one thing: if you don't have a job, please look for income source. It's very crucial. It's like non-negotiable for you to survive. Next comes, every single week you have to dedicate 1 hour or minimum of 40 minutes in learning about AI automations, how AI workflows are done, how AI agents work, how integrations work. This is very, very crucial. Trust me, AI is wiping out jobs like nothing ever has done in past. So this is something that you have to very much clear about to become AI proof, or you can, let's say, your future is secure. This is your future insurance. It's non-negotiable. And if you are able to observe in the phase one, I'm covering most of the things that we think are not very much of importance, but these are crucial. These are non-negotiables. If you're not focused on these things right now, you'll start seeing the visible negative changes in your life in upcoming few years. So it's better to work on these things. Next comes wealth. And the very first thing that you have to work on is you have to track your expenses, how much you spend in a day. Trust me, this is one habit that I have built, like I have very dedicatedly worked on since last, I guess, 6 to 7 months, because before that I had neglected this. But since last 6 to 7 months, I am very much focused about it. Every single month I sit, I do Excel, like I put stuff on a sheet where it also includes 10 rupees ka anda jo maine liya. So it includes all of that stuff. And trust me, it gives you the clarity nothing else can. Next is build emergency fund. It's non-negotiable. You know what happens when someone asks you to do anything with your finance? You are always scared. Like अगर आपको कभी कुछ कोई बोलते हैं कि आप पैसे संभाल के रखो या कहीं पे इन्वेस्ट करो, you feel like कि मैं कैसे इन्वेस्ट करूँ, मुझे कभी नीड पड़ गई तो, कुछ इमरजेंसी आ गई तो, कुछ हो गया तो. That fear, that is because you don't have emergency fund. आपने वो फंड बिल्ड ही नहीं किया. It's like your permission slip. वो आपको हमेशा वो चीज जकड़ के रखेगी. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. Let's say you want to maybe quit your job. Let's say maybe you want to buy some laptop or some gadget. Maybe you want to go for a travel. But आपको वो चीजें रोक के रखेगी because you don't have emergency fund, या कुछ अचानक से आ गया, कुछ फर्नीचर टूट गया or anything. So these are the times for your rainy days. Like these are the rainy days when your emergency fund will come in handy. So ensure that it is done. And emergency fund is basically the amount that you keep aside for your rainy days. It should include barely, like minimum 6 months, maximum 12 months of your necessary expenses. Let's say you spend 10,000 a month, so you have to calculate accordingly, like 10,000 into 6 months, that would be your emergency fund. Now there is one factor that we often don't talk about, that is how many people in your family are dependent on you. If you have a full family dependent on you, then you should have 1 to 1.5 year of a emergency fund. If not, if you are a person like me, maybe working, or you don't have so much people depend on you, ideally 6 months would be enough. Relationships, the most important aspect. You have to take one day out of in a week where you are not touching your phone, or maybe you are completing your sleep. I am trying myself, yes, I am trying. I'm not able to achieve it yet, but I'm trying. So no notifications. This is one thing that I can say, that I don't have notifications on in my phone, even on weekdays, even in working hours. Only WhatsApp, that too I turn it off. So this is one thing that I am very much clear about, because you cannot imagine how much of a mental space and mental energy all the notification and all of those things take. If there would be some measuring equipment, तभी आपको पता चलता. So this is one thing. Next thing, to keep you stress free, that is meditation or journaling. I do none of these, but this is crucial. I'll try myself to do either of these things, or maybe some other alternative to these things, so that I'm stress free. Wish your loved one on special days. I miss out on this, but this is one thing that मैंने वही बोला ना, I have included all the things that I know we all as a 20-year-olds, we all as Gen Z misses out on. तो अगर ट्रैकर होगा ना, पता चलेगा कि कितना आप पानी में हो, एंड वो भी मुझे भी पता चलेगा क्योंकि मैं भी सारी चीजें ट्रैक करने वाली हूँ. एंड यस, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, वन gesture or one act where you connect with the Almighty in any form. It could be prayer, it could be anything. That should be your way of practicing gratitude, or that should be your way of connecting with your, God, Almighty, whatever you call it, all those things. So that's very, very crucial. Abhi time aa jata hai trackers dikhane ka. Perfect. So now you'll be able to see on the screen that how these trackers look like. Now, first, of course, there are rules of the game. You'll be able to see those things. Next comes phase 0. So this was about phase 0. You have to work on this thing. Next comes phase 1. So all the things that we have discussed are there, like all the health, career, wealth, relationship, all the things are there. Please feel free to customize this as per your requirements and your targets and goals. This is about phase 1. I have mentioned the dates. You could change the dates if you are seeing this video at any other point of time where these dates are not relevant anymore. So this is one thing. Now then comes the phase 2. Again, it has, okay, as you can see, the rewards are also mentioned. So you can just add on, let's say you want to give yourself maybe, a new pair of shoes, sneakers, let's say, or maybe, a perfume or anything else, hypothetical example. Next comes phase 2. So in phase 2, I have mentioned here the goal specific. You can edit this and add something that is specific to your goals. Next comes here, you can, in the phase 1, you can see I have mentioned goal specific in all the like aspects. You have to customize it because मुझे नहीं पता आपके क्या goals है. Phase 3, now this you can like use it as it is by just adding specific goals. If you are going to use it at this time of the year, like when I'm uploading this video, अगर आप इसको कभी और बाद में देखो तो यू कैन फील फ्री टू कस्टमाइज दिस. वन थिंग दैट ये आपको एडिटेबल नहीं होगा, आप इसको एडिट नहीं कर पाओगे. सो व्हाट यू विल हैव टू डू इट, वॉच इट केयरफुली. क्लिक ऑन फाइल, make a copy, change your name. Let's say my name is Sanju, so I'll do it like this. Maybe you can put any other name or anything. Okay, so this is done. Then you just click on make a copy. Then you are good to go. Now this whole thing will open, but this is how it is. No, this will just be for your reference. इस तरीके से आपको इसका copy बनाना है. Have to use it. Reward. This was very simple stuff. I hope it was clear until this point. Now comes phase 2. So phase 2 is about leveling up a little bit. जैसे कि आपने सबसे पहले अपने eating clean का ध्यान रखा था कि आप home cooked meal ले रहे हैं, or you are eating clean, you are not having junk food on every single day. Now this is a level higher. It's about fixing your macros, your proteins, your carbs, and your fats are in place. Let me be very clear with you. On the very first day, it will not be possible for you to meet your all the requirements. But you have to ensure that you are starting something, you are doing something, and you are better than yesterday. So that is one thing that you have to keep in mind. Until and unless you are better than your yesterday, a past version of yourself, you are growing, and that is exactly what matters. Until this moment, there was in the phase 1, we were talking about the movement. It could be any form, any way. But here I have, in this phase 2, I have leveled it up a little. You have to include either cardio or weightlifting or yoga or any sort of workout or any sort of movement which is higher than walking. Next is about, like you can add something goal specific, maybe, weight loss, weight maintaining or weight gaining, strength building, higher energy levels, or whatever your goals could be. Next comes career. Now, all the things that I am mentioning are very crucial for you, okay? And इतनी चीजों के बाद में अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको कुछ add on करना है अपने goal specific के according, then you can do it. But otherwise, please try to follow at least the basics. मैंने जितनी भी चीजें लिखी, these are non-negotiable in today's time. So building your personal brand, it's very important. And by building your personal brand, I don't mean to show your coffee on Instagram, maybe upload a video. ये चीजें नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं. You have to ensure that बाकी आप platforms पे exist करो ना करो, चलाओ ना चलाओ, be active on LinkedIn. I will try to upload a LinkedIn tutorial very soon. So you have to ensure that at least 3 times a week, you are posting something on LinkedIn. You are sharing your learnings in public. You are learning in public. You are building in public. So that's very crucial. And over time, you'll be able to realize that how important it was and you did not even think about it. Next comes network. Now it includes offline and online both. If possible, go connect with people in offline events. If not, connect with people, engage on people's posts on LinkedIn at least. ये मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं करा, तो मुझे भी इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है इस बार. Take, this is very like vague, or you can say you can customize this as per your requirement. Take some deeper course or certification into something that you want to learn. Next comes wealth. Make your first investment if you haven't until now. Stocks में like directly आपको stocks में invest नहीं करना है, but stock market में जरूर करना है. You can pick for mutual funds, index funds, whatever you feel. I always say this: your first investment hasn't to be perfect. It has to exist. So you have to ensure that you're doing this. There are 2 YouTube channels I would recommend you to check out if you don't know anything about personal finance. These are 2 my personal favorite and go to YouTube channel. First is Ankur Warikoo, second is Nishaz. So I'll link both of them in the description below. Check them out. Amazing stuff. Like अगर आपके बिल्कुल बेसिक्स क्लियर नहीं है तो अंकुर वारिकू चैनल इज परफेक्ट फॉर यू. एंड इफ यू नो द फंडामेंटल्स तो फिर निशाज चैनल विल वर्क रियली गुड फॉर यू. द ओनली चैलेंज इज कि आपको इंग्लिश समझ में आनी चाहिए, बिकॉज निशा इज फाइनेंस क्रिएटर फ्रॉम फॉरेन, तो उनका थोड़ा एक्सेंटेड रहता है इंग्लिश, थोड़ा आपके लिए समझना मुश्किल हो सकता है. बट शी like talks about some good stuff. I love her and I love her content. So that is one thing. Learn about personal finance, budgeting, compounding, saving strategies. This is very crucial. You can set, like, take out one day every single month to learn something about personal finance. Maybe you can take a basic course which teaches you the fundamentals. Next comes health insurance and life insurance. If you are an earning member in your family, or maybe if you are 25 plus, you should have your life insurance, and health insurance is a must. You should have health insurance for all the people in your family. That's non-negotiable. So these are, as you can observe the pattern, I'm talking about the non-negotiables in 95% of the cases. Then comes relationship. So you have to maintain, of course, the like habits of phase 1, of course. Then you have to plan one day so that you can spend time with your loved ones. Once in a week or once in a month would work fine. Try to journal, try to scribble, try to do something that makes you feel relaxed. So you could go for some outing with your friends, or maybe any sort of activity that helps you rejuvenate. Next, finally, the last phase comes, that is expand and multiply. So it's more about, this phase is more about goal specific things. In the health aspect, you could take hobby based goals. If it's about fitness, you could go for swimming, cycling, dancing, martial arts, or anything that excites you. Next is experimenting with advanced nutrition. Maybe you can try new protein rich recipes or supplementation or whatever you feel. So it's more about goal specific. Next comes career. Now this is about seeking real world exposures. You have to, you could work on collaborations and other stuff. Wealth, in this, there's one non-negotiable, I'll talk about it. That is, work on it or figure out more about multiple income streams, because in today's time, one income stream is not enough. Learn the basics of taxation, money management, relationships. Now, this is one thing. Keep nurturing your connection. So this is one thing that I've missed out on in this video in the earlier part. That is about relationship. When we talk about relationship, it's never about the romantic or the personal relationships only. It also includes your professional relationships, relationship with yourself, relationship with Almighty. So these sort of things comes into the umbrella of a relationship, right? So this is one thing, that you have to keep in mind. When you're planning about the relationship aspect of your life, you have to cover all of these things. Then you'll be able to create a balanced, equation. So with all of those things, we have come to an end. Your challenge starts today. Imagine yourself 90 days from now, sharper, smarter, and more confident, and finally living a life that you have always dreamt of. But that can only happen if you take action. Remember, transformation isn't a dream, it's a decision. Make it now. If you have watched this video till the very end, till this point, that shows that this video was worth your time. And I want you to help me with 3 things. First, what do you think how I can make such videos more helpful, more practical, and realistic for you? What do you want me to cover in next video on? And which was your favorite part from this video? Please let me know all of these things in comment. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for your time.